Modern yogic lifestyle welcomes you all on the holy path of yoga. The practice which I am going to introduce before you will be much more beneficial for your physical as well as mental health. So keep watching and keep practicing. Without practicing, you cannot gain the physical benefits of this posture. If you practice this regularly, I can give you guarantee that you will be free from all the diseases of your body and your mind too. The depression nowhere exists in your life if you practice these practices of ancient yoga. Now let's begin. First, the warm up. Keep both the palm and leg on the same distance apart. Breathe out, go inside. Breathe in, slowly come up. Hold this posture. Holding is much more beneficial. If you hold, your body will be toned. Hold this posture, slow and deep breathing 5 times and hold this posture. Thri Sukham Asanam. Sthirita, stability in one posture to be maintained to gain the benefits of the pose. Now hold. This is downward facing dog pose or mountain pose. Hold this posture, breathe in, breathe out 5 times. Slow and deep breathing, focus on your navel center. Have a complete awareness on your navel center. That while you breathing in, your navel center should come up, while breathing out, it should go down. And your spine should be straight from tailbone to spinal cord, it should be straight. And from your leg, your feet to hip should be straight. Knee should be straight and hold this posture. Try to touch your heel to the ground if possible. If not, you can do like this also. Breathe in, slowly come up. Very good. Hold this posture, slow and deep breathing 5 times and hold. Less pressure should be at your waist area. Only upper parts of the body from stomach to up. The part should be lifted. Lifted and bend. Now breathe out, go inside. Breathe in, breathe out 5 times and hold this posture. Slow and deep breathing and maintain a smile on the face. Have a complete awareness on what you are doing. Try to avoid the fluctuation of mind. If it fluctuates anywhere, try to bring back your awareness at your body parts only. Now breathe in, slowly come up. Very good. This warm-up practice will prepare your complete spine to face the challenges of life. You can accomplish the Herculean task if you practice this pose regularly. Very good. Now just relax. Practice Shashankasan for relaxation. Separate your knees and slowly try to keep your spine straight, forehead on the ground. Hold this posture, slow and deep breathing 3 times, keeping your spine long and straight. And hips should not be lifted, your hips should be on the heel. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold this posture. Maintain a smile on the face. Very good. Now you practice another poses. While practicing yoga, your awareness should be on your body parts only. Do not think about other matters. If you think about other matters, you may not get the proper benefits. Now we will practice using the wheel, yoga wheel. You might have heard this one, the yoga wheel. So now we will practice with yoga wheel. The simple practices first. Catch your leg and try to lift. How? Separate your all fingers and provide a grip on the ground and catch your leg. Try to lift up. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold. Very good. Breathe in, slowly come back. Now similarly practice from another side. The same. And hold. Very good. Slowly come back. Now one more round. You can practice one more round the same with the help of your wheel. Now the same but another little bit changes in this. Now as most of the people do not have the yoga wheel, so we will show you without the wheel how you can practice to maintain balance in your physical and mental body. Now we will practice some different poses which do not require any assistance or any tools. Now we practice Dandasana. For Dandasana, keep your whole body parts so straight. Try to look front. Focus on any one point and breathe in, breathe out 5 times. And hold this posture. Very good. Slowly come back. Now, sidewise, try to lift your hand. Try to look towards your hand. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold. Breathe in, slowly come back. Very good. Now change from another side. Try to look towards your hand. Breathe in, breathe out 5 times and hold. Breathe in, slowly come back. Now breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold. Very good. Now practice this Kukutasana. Very good. Slowly come back. Now practice Shashankasana. Very good. Now in practice, combine 3 poses. Breathe in, lift your one leg, left leg up. Breathe in, breathe out, and knee forward. Breathe out, lift your leg. Breathe out, forward your leg. Breathe in, lift your leg. Breathe out, forward your leg. Breathe in, lift your leg up. Very good. Now similarly from another leg. Very good. Now slowly come back. Just relax. Do Sasankasana for little relaxation pose. Very good. Now different practice. Breathe in, and lift one leg. Now bend your leg and just flip like this. This posture should be maintained. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold this posture. Breathe in, slowly come back. Very good. Now, similarly from another side. Breathe in and lift. Now bend your knees and try to flip your legs like this. Very good. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold this posture. Breathe in, slowly come back. Very good. Now slowly come back. Practice downward facing dog pose. Very good. Now bring left leg up, breathe out and bring. Very good. Try to look towards roof and hold this posture. Very good. Now breathe in and just lift your this palm up. Both the shoulders should be in one line. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold. Very good. Breathe in, slowly come back. Now change and do from another side. Breathe in and lift this palm towards roof and both the shoulder in one line. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold this posture. Breathe in, slowly come back. Very good. Now similarly, practice downward facing dog pose, bringing this leg back. Very good. Now breathe in and breathe out and bring right leg up. Very good. Hold this posture. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times. Now keep this palm to the roof, to the ground and another towards roof. Keep both the shoulder in one line. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold. Very good. Breathe in, slowly come back. Now change your palm, another posture. Another the same. Breathe in and lift another palm towards roof. Just change. Try to look towards roof. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times and hold. Breathe in, slowly come back. Very good. Now bring this leg back and practice downward facing dog pose. Very good. Slowly come back. Now practice Sasankasan. Touch your palm on the ground, forehead on the ground. Separate your knees little bit and relax. Very good. Slowly come back. Now this much practice is sufficient for be physically fit in life. If you want to be disease free, if you are suffering from any severe disease, the disease which have no medicine in allopathy will be cured if you practice yoga. But for that the